Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'll be showing you my quick installation process of these crochet locks here. Today's locks come from samsbeauty.com. If you guys are not familiar with Sam's Beauty, they are an online beauty supply store that you can order from, of course. So they have locks and wigs and wig accessories and beauty accessories, so many beauty supply products that you need, also for a wonderful price. So make sure you check out their website. Before we jump into today's video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload. And then you can follow me on my socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look. You can see how long the locks are on me. The way I did them was like a pretty beginner friendly way, I would say. So I went in and basically did like I remember my childhood braids and just sectioned off like the first half of my head, or maybe like a fourth of my head in the front, so it would look more parted, in terms of making it look more like individually done, even though it wasn't really done like that. So I showed that in the beginning of the clip, and that's basically the end look that we got here. I really do love how they came out. It was actually a very quick process as well. It only took me maybe max 2 hours, probably not even that long. That's just about how long I'll give it. So it really wasn't a long process. They feel extra secure. Like my hair is actually feeling really tight, honestly, which I appreciate, because usually when I do my hair like this, it kind of comes out a little loose because I'm not that skilled at it. But they feel very secure, like they're not going to budge or anything. So yeah, if you guys are interested in these locks, make sure you check out the description bar below. I will have the links there for you. And that completes today's video. Thank you again to Sam's Beauty for sending over these locks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.